Yo, what is up, guys? NQ Demon here. Today is Monday, the 3rd of June, I think. Yeah, the 3rd of June. And I just sent my pre market analysis, or not just, but I sent it before market open. As you guys can see right here. So, my pre market analysis. And yeah, going into today, I'm just really monitoring this for value gap right here because this will make or break our bias for this morning. And the hourly is about to close in like 30 seconds, so I'm anticipating lower prices right now on US 30. NQ is just chilling. There's nothing interesting for me on NQ, so I'm gonna be looking more at US 30 today, and I'll let you guys know if I find a trade. What is up, guys? Currently in a US 30 short. Called it out in the VIP room, as you guys can see. Called it out. Yeah, let's see how this plays out, guys. Trade just hit TP. Called it out in the Discord, in the VIP Discord. Called out this trade. As you guys can see, kept on melting, smashed my TP. I personally only target 2RR, so I did not catch the whole move, but I'm happy with the trade. This is a PNL if you guys want to see it. 100K account, and yeah, pretty happy with this trade, to be honest. Really textbook trade with my strategies, so I'm just really happy with it, and I'm happy I stayed patient today. Went into the day with low expectations and still caught a nice trade. So yeah. Yo, what is up, guys? NQ Demon here, and we're back with another video. This is, I think, day 51 of my road to success as a teenager. I am still a little bit sick, as you guys could tell. Like I already told you guys in the last video, I am a little bit sick right now. But today we have another banger video because we have another winning trade for this month. No, my last winning trade was the 31st of May. So this was the first winning trade of the month, the first trade of the month too. And the first day of the week on a Monday, so pretty good way to start off the month and the week. We had a short on US 30. We called it out, or I called it out in the VIP room live, and yeah, if you are in the VIP room, you would have caught this trade with me. Again, if you guys want to join, just DM me on Discord or Instagram, and yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys basically like an analysis of the trade. So why did I take a short? Because going into the week, if you did watch my last video, or not my last video, but my charting session, I was bullish going into this week, but I still took a short today. So I'm gonna give you guys like an analysis on why I took a short. So going into the week, damn, bro, I didn't even keep on looking. We are melting right now. How many points did we melt? We melted 400 points on a Monday on US 30. That's crazy. Yeah, so going into the week, I was a little bit more bullish because looking at the strong reaction that we had on that last day of the week, I was just a little bit more bullish inclined going into this week because last Friday we had a huge reaction to the upside, indicating some type of rejection. So going into this week, I was more bullish inclined because I thought we were going to reverse on the higher time frame. So yeah, I said going into this week, I'm going to be more bullish on NQ and US 30 because I'm just anticipating we're going to keep on going higher. But as you can see, Monday we melted around 400 points already on US 30. So I might be wrong. I don't know. But I still capitalized on this move, even though it was against my bias. So yeah, so I was bullish going into the week. But if you are in my VIP room, I said going into this morning, I'm going to be looking at this time-based fair value gap right here that we created in the London session, and that's going to be one of the most important things I'm going to be looking at, and I'm going to be monitoring this whole day. I want to see if we displace through this fair value gap or if we respect it. In my opinion, I do not look at these big ass fair value gaps right here because some of you people are going to say, oh, but what about this bullish fair value gap right here? I do not look at big fair value gaps like this. Because it's just so, how do you call that? I don't know how you call it, but because it's such a big fair value gap, it's so unclear what price might do within this fair value gap, because we can always just go all the way below here and then we get a huge reaction at the bottom of the fair value gap. So it's kind of like a weird situation where we have big fair value gaps like these, so that's why I always ignore them. And I usually just look at the more recent fair value gaps that are getting created. And so we just created this fair value gap in the London session. So I was looking at this fair value gap right here. And I said in my pre-market in the VIP room, if we respect this fair value gap on the hourly, I'm going to be looking for shorts. It's that simple, just from internal internal range to external range liquidity. It's pretty simple. We went to internal, then going to external. We retraced. I got my order block validation on the 3-minute, and I entered when we got that displacement. It was pretty simple market execution. You could just tell that price action was really bearish, order flow was really bearish, everything was just saying bearishness. There was literally no reason to long this. If one of you guys did long US30, make sure to tell me like in the comments why you longed it, or maybe I can give you some tips. I don't know, but today was the most clear bearish day I've seen in a really long time. You know, when I'm back testing, like even when I'm back testing, I rarely see like these type of days that are just so clear. You know what I mean? Like today was just one of those days. It's so clear what price wanted to do. And yeah, so basically, when I got my order block validation with some displacement and I got a change in the state of delivery, I entered at the market execution. Sometimes I do enter at the order block, but it depends on the situation. This time I didn't enter at the order block. I just entered when I got that change in the state of delivery. And yeah, I targeted 2RR because that is my plan. I know I could have targeted way more. I could have gotten so much more, but you know, at the end of the day, that's just being greedy and FOMO, you know what I mean? I just target my standard 2RR. Sometimes if there is a clear objective on liquidity, so let's say there was a clear time-based low right here, then instead of targeting the 2RR, I might have targeted that low and I would have had like 2.6 RR. But in this situation, the draw on liquidity was not clear. The low hanging fruit was this low right here, and I did not anticipate price to come all the way down here because again, I was more bullish going into the week. So I did not anticipate price coming all the way down here. So that's why I was content with targeting a 2RR. So yeah, that was basically my analysis for today. It was a really simple trade. Again, keeping it simple, like I said in my last video, just keep it simple, or no, my video, 2 videos before. Just keeping it simple, bro. Like there's no need to overcomplicate this ICT shit. Like there is no enigma, there is nothing. Just keeping it simple and having good risk management. I'm not saying this strategy is the best strategy ever and that you will not lose if you keep it simple, because I also get my losses, you know. It's all about risk management, because if you're, for example, targeting 2RR and you lose a trade and you lose another trade and you might even lose another trade after that, and then you get a winning trade, you're only down 1RR. So it really is all about risk management, staying with good psychology. I went into this day not even expecting to find a trade. So yeah, just staying patient, building good habits, and I'm showing you guys right now that it is possible. It's possible. Just, you know, if you looked at me at the start of this journey that I started posting, when I started posting on YouTube, like I wasn't the best trader. I didn't have the best psychology, and I'm not saying I didn't have I'm not saying I had bad psychology, but I just didn't have the best psychology. And even I see my own progression since I started. So I'm just showing you guys that it is possible. And if you put your all into this every single day, like I couldn't even put my all every single day because I had multiple exams, had my finals, I had everything. So I couldn't even put my all into this. And now that I'm done, I'm going to really put my all into this from now on. But I'm just telling you guys, if you guys put your all into this right now, it's summer. If you put your all into this, you literally, like, success is inevitable, bro. Like, I keep saying inevitable. I keep saying it is inevitable because it is inevitable. You know what you have to do, and you literally just have to do it on a consistent basis. It's really that simple. Again, a lot of you guys overcomplicate this stuff. It's not that complicated. Like one of the people in my live stream said, the money is already made, time has to catch up. I really like that quote. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed like this trade recap. Again, if you guys want to join the VIP room, just DM me on Instagram or Discord. The free link of the link of the free Discord is in the description. And yeah, take care.